Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Skate black screen stuck on the loading screen on PC. To fix the issue, start by going to the search bar on the taskbar on your PC. Now, use the search bar to search for Device Manager. After that, click on it and you will find various options. Then, click on Display Adapter and right-click on Intel R HD Graphics 530. Click on Update Driver and make sure that you have the best driver updated. Another way is to click on the Start menu. Here, select Run and search for TMMP. Hit the OK button and delete the files shown here. Another easy way is to use the search bar on the taskbar and search for Settings. Now, reach the Settings and select Windows Updates on the left panel. Check for the updates and update your PC. Lastly, you need to restart your PC. To restart, click on the search bar on the taskbar. After that, click on the power button, and you will find the restart option. By clicking on it, you can restart your PC to fix the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.